Hello everybody, Joe Maxwell here. I've come across a product for jet skiers that I think is so good I have to share my thoughts with you. This is a docking solution that is far superior to anything else on the market. It works to save your jet ski from dock rub. The original Stable Wave introduced to the industry back in 2020 has been working great. Customer reviews have all been positive. But here's what we've done. Take a look at this. With this advanced unit, we've added safety holes for additional security. You use the Stable WaveMAX in the same way you would use the original, except you have an option to secure the Stable Wave by aligning the holes and inserting these two pin clips through those holes. By doing this, your Stable WaveMAX will never separate should that rough wave show up at your jet ski dock. Now, which Stable Wave is the better choice for you? Well, that depends on the conditions in which you use your jet ski. If you're in mostly quiet water, then when you dock your jet ski, the original is probably best for you and it'll save you a little bit of money. But if you find yourself in more active water where there's no speed limit, for instance, or if the dock is not protected, then you may want to choose the Stable WaveMAX. Stable Wave is for the jet ski enthusiast, and it's the only product that will protect your jet ski from dock rub or allow it to drift under a dock. And it gives you this protection without the need for you to drill holes in your jet ski or make any other alteration. Please take a look at AvantiMarineShop.com for more information.